A large circle and a small circle are shown, as seen in the picture here. The radius of the large circle is 12. And of course, you know the radius of the large circle to the radius of the small circle is in the ratio 4 to 1. Work out the area of the shaded area. That is the area of this gray part. Give your answer in terms of pi. And of course, if you look at this question, it's a 4-marker question. And I really want you to be able to do this so that I can get all 4 marks already. Good. So we're going to look at this question and see how we could tackle it. Now, I'm looking at it and I just think this part here, which is put in the color, is a key to understanding what we need to do. So we know the radius of the large circle to the radius of the small circle is in the ratio of 4:1. Okay, but we know the radius of the large circle is 12. Okay, now if you want to know the radius of the small circle, you might want to consider to move from 4 to 12 for the large circle. You have to multiply by 3, and also for the small circle you also have to multiply by 3 in the same ratio. Okay, so that number will be 3. Okay, so what we needed to do is this. Now we will want to work out the area of the big circle, and of course we'll work out the area of the small circle, and of course if you take out, if you do the difference, the answer you get will be the area of this shaded part. So first thing first, what is the area of the big circle? Okay, you want to do pi radius squared. Okay, and of course you know that pi is what it is and the radius is 12 squared. And of course when you do that, you get 144 pi. And of course the area of the small circle, you can also do that by doing pi times the radius, which is 3 squared, and that will give you 9 pi. What this simply means is that the length here for the small circle, the radius of it, which of course is 3, and of course the radius of the big circle, maybe 12. All right, so if you have to work out the area of the shaded part, the area of the shaded part would definitely be 144 pi subtract 9 pi. And of course, that answer will be 135 pi. Okay, this is the area of this arch, that part. Okay, all right, thank you.